We're on the road between Pha Tang and Phu Chi Fah. These people are taking supplies. They're dropped on one side and then they haul them across. The bridge is completely out, as you can see. And on the other side of the next village, there's another bridge, and that's the road's completely washed out there. So this is their only means of getting supplies, is people bringing it to this point and then hand hauling it across and loading it up on the other side. So that's it from the 1093 between Pha Tang and Phu Chi Fah. August 30 at 10 o'clock in the morning, 2024. Amazing.